Take your workflow to the next level with seamless control and instant access. Best Stream Deck solutions empower creators, gamers, and professionals to launch apps, trigger actions, and customize commands effortlessly, transforming productivity and creativity into one smooth experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Elgato Stream Deck. The Elgato Stream Deck is a compact but powerful control center designed to simplify and enhance the way you manage your apps, tools, and platforms. Featuring 5 fully customizable LCD keys, this device enables you to trigger single or multiple actions instantly with one touch. Whether you're launching social posts, adjusting audio, muting your microphone, or turning on lights, each key can be assigned its own icon and command, giving you a personalized interface that adapts to your workflow. Visual feedback ensures you always know your command has executed successfully, reducing guesswork and interruptions during critical moments. Elgato's integration with popular platforms such as Elgato 4K-CU, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Spotify, and Philips Hue means you can streamline everything from live streaming to editing and content production. Hotkey actions also allow you to accelerate your film editing, music production, or photography workflow by consolidating complex sequences into one press. Setup is quick and intuitive through the Stream Deck software, which offers drag-and-drop configuration and a marketplace full of plugins, icons, and updates. Compact and portable, the Elgato Stream Deck brings professional-level control to any desk without taking up space, making it ideal for creators, professionals, and hobbyists who want speed, efficiency, and reliability in one smart device. Number 2. Elgato XL Stream Deck. The Elgato XL Stream Deck takes everything creators love about the original model and expands it to a full-size, advanced live production controller with 32 customizable LCD keys. Each key provides instant tactile feedback and can be tailored to trigger unlimited actions with a simple tap, giving you full command over your production environment. Its powerful integrations include Elgato 4K-CU, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Spotify, Philips Hue, vMix, VoiceMod, and more, allowing you to orchestrate multiple platforms and devices simultaneously. One-touch operation makes it easy to change scenes, launch media, switch cameras, tweak lighting, adjust audio, or even post tweets without leaving your main screen. Visual feedback on each key confirms that commands are executed, minimizing mistakes during live broadcasts or presentations. The XL model is perfect for professionals managing complex workflows, such as multi-camera setups, studio lighting, or large streaming productions, because it gives you more keys, more profiles, and more flexibility in one streamlined interface. Like the original Stream Deck, it features an intuitive drag-and-drop setup through Elgato software and access to a rich marketplace of plugins, icons, and updates. If you want the ultimate blend of power, scale, and simplicity for your live productions, the Elgato XL Stream Deck delivers. Number 3. Elgato Audio Mixe Stream Deck. The Elgato Audio Mixe Stream Deck merges tactile control with visual feedback to create a versatile audio, video, and lighting hub for creators and professionals. Combining LCD keys, a touch strip, and responsive dials, it lets you mix, monitor, and manage your entire setup from a single device, while always knowing your commands have been executed. Fully customizable, it can serve as an audio mixer, studio controller, or production console, adapting to whatever your workflow demands. With multi-actions and smart profiles, you can trigger multiple commands at once or sequentially and have the interface automatically switch configurations when you move between apps, saving time and eliminating repetitive steps. Its powerful plugin ecosystem includes Elgato Wavelink, Camera Hub, Control Center, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Spotify, Philips Hue, and more, enabling seamless integration across your favorite platforms. The Stream Deck app and store make setup effortless with drag-and-drop assignment, downloadable plugins, icons, and thousands of royalty-free tracks and sound effects to elevate your production. Regular updates and new plugins keep the device future-ready, ensuring you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. For content creators, podcasters, musicians, or anyone who juggles multiple controls, the Elgato Audio Mixe Stream Deck is an all-in-one command center that combines precision, convenience, and creativity. Number 4. Elgato XLR Stream Deck. The Elgato XLR Stream Deck pairs the power of Stream Deck Plus with an integrated XLR GOC to create the ultimate audio station for streamers, podcasters, and studio professionals. In the back, you can plug in your XLR microphone to achieve studio-like sound quality, while up front, you get fully customizable controls to mix, monitor, and manage virtually anything. Its tactile LCD keys, touch strip, and dials give you responsive command over audio, video, and lighting with clear visual feedback confirming each action. With 75 decibels of gain to amplify dynamic microphones and 48V phantom power for condenser mics, the XLR Stream Deck brings your audio to life and ensures clarity for every broadcast or recording. Integrations with Elgato Wavelink, Camera Hub, Control Center, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Spotify, Philips Hue, and more expand your creative control beyond audio into a full production environment. Access to the Stream Deck app, Marketplace, and Wavelink unlocks drag-and-drop setup, downloadable plugins, icons, thousands of royalty-free tracks, and sound effects to customize your workflow. Regular updates add new features and integrations, making the XLR Stream Deck a future-proof investment. Whether you're streaming live, recording podcasts, or producing professional content, this device consolidates your audio and production controls into one sleek, powerful interface. Number 5. Elgato Neo Stream Deck. The Elgato Neo Stream Deck introduces enhanced efficiency in a compact and eco-friendly form factor. With 8 shortcut keys that can be customized and automated, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your workflow and make repetitive daily routines fast and enjoyable. Drag-and-drop actions through the free Stream Deck app make setup effortless, letting you manage your favorite tools even when they're off-screen. Compatible with a wide array of applications such as Zoom, Teams, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Google Suite, Microsoft Office, Photoshop, Adobe Creative Apps, Spotify, and more, the Neo Stream Deck is as valuable in an office setting as it is in a creative studio. Its seamless smart control lets you manage ecosystems with a single button, turning smart lights on or off, controlling plugs, adjusting audio, and more. It can also control other Neo products for a fully integrated experience. Beyond functionality, the Neo Stream Deck embodies sustainability. Crafted with environmentally conscious materials and packaged with zero plastic, it reflects Elgato's commitment to reducing environmental impact. Regular updates and access to the Stream Deck Marketplace ensure you always have fresh plugins, icons, and features. For professionals and creators seeking a versatile, sustainable, and user-friendly control pad, the Elgato Neo Stream Deck is a modern solution that blends power with purpose. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.